everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the retro utility boot in the classic event of Visit. To unlock this boot, you will need to collect around 30,000 ticks, and then you can get this tick simply by collecting the daily quest inside the classic event. And then once you have collected enough ticks, you can claim the boot from the event rewards. And then to using it, just tap Swan's boot and then just scroll until you find the retro utility boots like this, and then just tap spawn. And then as you can see, the speed is actually pretty good. Let's try to drive it. Okay, like this the speed is pretty good, but the handling it's a bit tricky. It feels slightly stiff and not super responsive, so you will need a bit of practice to control it smoothly. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the retro utility boot. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials.